How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampy's Workshop. Well, we had a sunny day, so there we go. Can't complain, I guess. So today the little project, it's a simple little project. I'm going to put a sign up in the yard. We got it from the grandkids. And anyways, I'm not going to say anything more about it. I'm just going to go set up and install it, and then I'll let you make your own decisions of whether or not you like it. So there's the sign. What do you think of it? I think it looks pretty good. Just one sec. I want to show you some other signs we have here. I've got a few signs around the camp that I really like. And there's one of my favorites. Massey Ferguson, parking only. You can look but don't touch. Alright, that's one. Here's another one that I kind of like too. Two proud grandparents live here. That's a beauty. And then, of course, this just goes without saying, life is better at the lake. And it is. But to get back to this posting here, oh, there's one other sign here I just want to show you before. Janet's Garden. Janet, aka Nanny. Anyways, so oh, here's another sign. I like this one too. Put this note a couple years ago. Our grandkids rock. So there's all the rocks with our grandkids' names on them. Ryan, Zach, Kyle, Logan, Garrett, Rachel, Elsa, and Bridget. Quite a crew. We even have great grandkids now. Christopher and Jackson. Getting big. Now, to get back to this one. The kids gave me this. Sorry, I shouldn't say the kids gave me this. My son and his beautiful daughter-in-law and their kids, I guess, all chipped in to get us this sign. Now, I'm not sure what they're trying to tell us here. I was thinking that they were maybe just jealous that we're retired and have nothing to do all day but just to do whatever we want, which is good. I like that. But anyway, here's the sign they gave us. Tell me what you think. Will I zoom in on that? Slow, grandparents at play. Now if you say it like that, it doesn't sound too bad. Slow, grandparents at play. But if you say slow grandparents at play, I wonder. So, what do you think of the sign? I know that the grandkids love me, and I know that my son loves me and his daughter-in-law, and my daughter-in-law and his wife. I know that. But I wonder if he's trying to tell me something. Anyways, I'm going to read that sign as slow grandparents at play, not the other way around. So, we had a quick little video here today, folks, so thanks for watching. Thumbs up me, because I'm slow, and we'll talk to you soon.